everyone, and welcome to Ask Praise, your number one guide in the Ugandan real estate market. If it's your first time here, my name is PraiseStevens and I'm a real estate agent in Uganda. We are currently at a rental property in Naguru, and the property is called Naguru Viewpoint Apartments. Today we're going to look at the type of units available here, the rental rates for similar properties within the area, the neighborhood, shops, amenities, transport links, the types of residents in this area, and finally, the cost of living in Naguru. Naguru Viewpoint has 2 and 3 bedroom furnished apartments. What we're looking at now is a 2-bed, 2-bath unit with an open plan kitchen, living and dining area. The kitchen comes with appliances such as a fridge, microwave, a gas stove, and kitchenware. The living room has a flat screen with DSTV, its own balcony with magnificent views of Naguru Hill. Nothing more beautiful than this. Important to note that this unit comes with free Wi-Fi. Check out the ensuite master bedroom. It's spacious with a built-in closet and AC. The second bedroom is about the same size with a shared bathroom. It's currently available to rent for $2,000 per month. You can also get it for $150 per night. The 3-bedroom rents for $2,500 per month. Per night, $150. On average in this area, furnished apartments normally go between $100 to $400 per night and $1,600 to $2,500 per month. Heading outside, there's ample parking space for several cars, 24-hour security surveillance, laundry services, a gym with all the latest equipment. There are lounge chairs for those relaxing chill-out sessions by the pool, lots of extra space with a barbecue area for a cookout evening with family and friends. Now, what I love in particular about this place is its location. It's in close proximity to Lugogo Mall, which is a 4-minute drive. To Acacia Mall, it will take you about 10 minutes, and Village Mall Bugolobi about 10 to 13 minutes. They are the best malls in Kampala with the nicest cafes, supermarkets, bars, salons, and evening entertainment after a long day's work. The community has its own hospitals, and for frequent travelers, a nearby COVID test center, Lancet Laboratories, where you can get your test certificates before a flight. The neighborhood is secure with a strong police presence, as the police headquarters is situated just 750 meters from the apartments. Transport links are good. On average, an Uber from Naguru Viewpoint to town is between 8 to 10,000 Ugandan shillings, $2 to $3. There's also an alternative called Bolt Rides. You can get one between 3,500 to 4,500 shillings. So you'll need between $1 to $1.50. If you're happy to roll around on a boda boda, it's going to be between 50 cents and $1. Naguru is a prime area, a nice neighborhood, and definitely desirable to live. If you're on holiday from the diaspora, there's a lot you can enjoy without driving so far from your home. Leave comments on what you think about these apartments and be sure to subscribe. If you guys want more videos like this, if you want to check out any other of my videos and follow me on Instagram, I'll have that down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!